Hello friends, welcome on Easy Health Solutions. Today you will learn what food you should avoid when you are feeling hungry or when you have an empty stomach. In short, which food items you should avoid when your stomach is really empty. The first food in this list is spicy food. Eating spices or chilies on an empty stomach may irritate the stomach lining, which can lead to acidic reaction and cramps. Chilies and spicy food is pungent in nature and can trigger indigestion and other symptoms like stomach discomfort, abdominal pain, and the problem of acidity. Also, you should avoid drinking cold drinks like Pepsi, Thumbs Up, especially when your stomach is empty. The reason behind this is that carbonated drinks can disturb your stomach's pH balance, which may result in symptoms like nausea, gas. You should also avoid cold drinks like iced coffee, too much cold water. Drinking iced beverages on an empty stomach may damage your mucous membrane and make your digestion sluggish throughout the day. So try to drink lukewarm water instead, especially when your stomach is empty. The next thing that you should avoid while your stomach is empty is citrus fruit. Eating citrus fruits on an empty stomach may increase acid production. Moreover, too much fiber and fructose in fruits can make your digestive system slow. You should especially avoid eating fruits with tough fibers like guava and oranges early morning or when your stomach is empty. Also, you should avoid eating raw vegetables when your stomach is empty because raw vegetables are full of coarse fiber, which may put an extra load on an empty stomach. Eating raw vegetables on an empty stomach may cause problems like flatulence, abdominal pain, and various other stomach related issues. You should avoid drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach. Drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach may lead to problems like acidity. It also stimulates the secretion of hydrochloric acid in the digestive system, which cause gastritis in some people. You should also avoid eating tomatoes on an empty stomach because tomatoes are loaded with tannic acid, which increases acidity in the stomach and can lead to gastric ulcers. Avoid eating banana when your stomach is empty because bananas are high in magnesium and potassium, which can lead to an imbalance of magnesium and potassium in the blood. Eating banana on an empty stomach can also overload your digestive system, especially your pancreas and your liver. You must avoid drinking alcohol, especially when your stomach is empty. Drinking alcohol on an empty stomach may lead to problems like gastritis, gastric ulcer, kidney and liver related problems. So you should never ever drink alcohol when your stomach is empty. So friend, this was a list of foods that you should avoid eating on an empty stomach. That's all for today friends. Please like this video, share this video and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.